Okay, here we are. The storm has officially ended. That would be Storm Nemo, I guess, or Blizzard Nemo. And I just dug my way out of the back door. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with all this snow. We've got to get back into the shed. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. I haven't seen snow like this since, well, I mean, it's becoming cliche right now because I'm seeing it all over the news, but the blizzard of 1978, when I still had my Firebird and I almost got stranded on the Berlin Turnpike taking my godson out for his confirmation dinner. And we came racing back from Berlin, Connecticut, which wasn't really all that far away. And the snow was piling up so quickly on the Berlin Turnpike, there were people walking in the middle. We had to, and I couldn't stop. If I had stopped, I would have got stuck. And somehow I made it back into town, got him dropped off, and plowed into my parking space at my apartment. And that car did not move for about 4 days. And the snow was piled up pretty much like this. I have to get into this shed and get the snowblower out. Should I venture into this? It's literally up to my thighs. Hope I'm not making anybody seasick. I'm trying to keep the camera steady. Oh, there's my truck. Oh, look much like a truck right now. I wanted to see whether my vent is open. Oh, thank God the vent on my boiler is still open. I was wondering why my boiler is still running properly. Good. The snow drifted away from the house. Thank God. But I mean, it's beautiful. But can you imagine? Look at my cousin's house. Snow drifted right up against the second roof. Holy cow. First thing this morning, I got up and looked out the back window to check on the parents' house, and little red cape. Probably can't see from here. No, it's behind the little maple tree there, but their chimney is literally sticking up only about 4 or 5 inches out of the snow. But I could see it was breathing. I could see it was venting. So I knew they were all right. So now the task at hand is to get into this shed and get my snowblower, which I had the foresight to face outward and fill with fuel before the storm started. Then I have to work my way up this path. Holy mackerel, it's got to be 4 feet deep there. I hope the blower doesn't get buried. And then I have to get them undug. This is going to be a multi-level job, or multi-effort job. I'm going to have to do it in stages. It's just too much. Anyway, figured you'd be interested in seeing, so that's the story. Until next time.